Hello, my name is Steve, and I want to welcome you to the Arizona Mining and Minerals Museum. As you learn of our rich mining history, you will see that mining has played a big role in our early statehood. And today, mining is still a vital part of our economy and our everyday lives. This video will introduce you to a group of rock products both mined and produced here in Arizona. These rock products include aggregates, cement, limestone, concrete, and asphalt. These valuable materials are not only used in roads and buildings, they are also used in agriculture and some surprising products that you use every day. Follow me as we embark on our own special tour of the Arizona rock products industry. There are many aggregate mines in Arizona, but the most important sources of aggregates are the ones located close to where construction projects are taking place. Let's visit with Jim. Jim operates a loader at a local aggregate mine and wants to show us his job. Hello, Jim.
Howdy, Steve. It's great to talk with you again. I see that you brought some friends. Let's start where aggregates are being mined and learn about the rock products produced here. Rocks deposited in dry washes or streams are sometimes called alluvial deposits, which is a fancy term for rocks being carried by water. These alluvial deposits consist of a mixture of sands, gravels, and even boulders that have been transported many miles by streams or rivers. Once Mother Nature deposits these materials here, I get to dig them up and load them into trucks. That's where they start their journey to become a building, a road, or even a skate park. Once loaded, these big trucks carry the materials to the processing plant. The plant has a crusher to break the larger cobbles and boulders into smaller pieces and various screens to sort the rocks by size. Once the rocks leave the crusher, they are transported through the plant by an interconnected series of long belts called conveyors. Notice how each one of these conveyors is stockpiling a different size material from fine sands to large rock. Once excavated, crushed, washed, and sorted, aggregates are now ready for use in other products.
Limestone is a special type of sedimentary rock that was deposited in seabeds millions of years ago. Let's talk to the manager of this cement plant and learn more about this unique construction material. Hello, John. How's the cement industry these days?
Hi, Steve. It's good to see you again. You picked a great day to visit our plant and learn how we turn limestone into cement. High-quality limestone is excavated from our mine and then transported by these large trucks to the primary crusher. The crusher breaks down the larger pieces of the limestone and makes it easier to process in the plant. Once crushed and blended, the feed is conveyed to this tall tower called a preheater. The preheater conserves energy by warming the feed before it enters the kiln. Once heated, the feed drops into this long horizontal tube called a kiln. As a burner heats one end of the kiln, it slowly turns, making the feed move gradually toward the burner, while being heated to approximately 1,300 degrees. The heating actually changes the chemical composition of the limestone. Once heated, the rock is called clinker. In the final step, these large mills grind the clinker and gypsum into a very fine white powder called cement. The cement is stored in these large silos prior to being placed into rail cars, tank trucks, or even bags that you can find at your local hardware store.
Although aggregates and cement have many uses, they are frequently combined to make concrete. And concrete made at this plant can be delivered to various construction projects in areas where roads, houses, and bridges are being built. Let's take a look at this facility and meet Katie, who is the quality control engineer.
Hi, Steve. Thanks for bringing me some visitors. This batch plant makes ready-mix concrete that can be delivered to job sites in the area using special delivery trucks. Wet concrete can be poured, pumped, and formed to make foundations, streets and sidewalks, buildings, bridges, and even dams. These structures can last hundreds, if not thousands of years. The plant uses sand and aggregate mined at the site and cement that is trucked in from nearby plants. Computers and electronic controls precisely measure the sand, aggregates, water, and cement and places them in the drum of the ready-mix truck. When cement and water interact, they start a chemical reaction that results in extremely hard, strong, and durable material we call concrete. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the Romans built many buildings using an early form of concrete? Some of these buildings are still standing today. And now I'd like to run you through the asphalt process. Hot mix asphalt is created when aggregates are mixed with liquid asphalt oil. The heated mixture can then be delivered to a job site where it is poured, rolled and compacted to make roads, driveways, and parking lots. Once cooled, the asphalt hardens to make a smooth, strong, and flexible pavement. Similar to ready-mix concrete, the asphalt plant uses sand and aggregates mined at the site. These materials are stored in those stockpiles until a loader pours them into the scaled hoppers. The use of rubberized pavement was pioneered in Arizona and makes pavement more durable and reduces road noise. Here's a fun fact. Approximately 12 million old tires are recycled annually to make rubberized asphalt.
On your way home, take a look around you at the various concrete, asphalt, and rock products. They're used everywhere, in homes, schools, shops, even where you play. Think about where these valuable products came from, how they are made, and what your life would be like without them.